Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back with you today to share how I planned this week in my work planner. It is going to be super short. This one is not crazy busy. Well, there's just not a lot going on, and it's all very repetitive, so it's not too much. I am using that Daydreamer value sticker book. It's just beautiful. So many lovely little colors and elements, and really functional. I break my work planner into three separate sections, so that's why it's fantastic for me that the Happy Planner already has those built right in there. I love it. I like to add a decorative sticker, a portion for to-dos, and then also a portion for a couple of things that I like to add to my planner as well. So you'll kind of see that repeating layout over and over again. However, just like my regular brain dump or ride or die planner, I do change it up in every different column. So you can see that there are a lot of bullet points that get used in my Happy Planner for work. It just is really the best way for me to get the things down there, like just bullet point lists are the easiest and the most functional. So I do add decor, I definitely do, and it gets a little bit more than maybe my average planner just based on the fact that it's work and I don't need it to be just slammed with all kinds of things like my regular planner does, but I really enjoy it nonetheless. So you can see that I use all kinds of different stickers though, even though I really do like the bullet point ones. I'm able to use a lot of different stickers that maybe I couldn't use in my regular planner just based on the fact that the parameters are a little bit different. So for example, if I'm writing a baseball game, I can't use the same stickers that I would here for different lists or different tracking items. So it's just kind of a neat way for me to use different stickers as well that maybe I couldn't use in my other planner, or wouldn't use in my other planner, maybe is a better way to say that. Now, using bullet point stickers can sometimes be a little bit difficult for me to get the spacing correct for getting 3 in that box, but it won't stop me from trying, and sometimes, maybe like 7 times out of 10 I get it right, and then those 3 I totally screw it up and I have to either live with it or start over. So you see both too, it just, it never gets old, right? So now I am putting this large box, I'm covering Friday and Saturday, allowing the bulk of the flowers to go in Saturday since I don't plan over the weekend. And so that really works out for me because, again, these aren't stickers that I typically use just because I don't know, they just don't really feel natural to me. It's not that I don't like them. I do actually really like them. They just don't feel natural to me. So in this work planner, it's a super simple way for me to get some of those stickers used because I can just use that one portion in a day. So it really works out fantastic. I actually sort of love it. And I love that I'm able to use different decorative stickers as well because I feel like my other planner, I'm super strict about making sure that all the function is there and there's not a whole lot of room typically for decor. I mean, I'm not saying there's not because as you can see, obviously I do decoration, but I feel like so much more strict. I am using this really old stencil that you can no longer purchase. If you're looking for a stencil, look on Amazon, look on Etsy, I'm sure, or the Happy Planner sells one too. And I'm just writing out some lists and some lines. I just like the way that it looks a little bit different from the rest of the week, and so it's a little bit unexpected and definitely not exactly the same. So it's really just a great thing for me. I love using it and throwing it in there sometimes, and that I was able to use this lavender ink. Super cute. So now I'm just adding the weekend banner, and I've got a couple of other things to add, and that's it for me. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thanks so much. Make it a great day.